How's it going, Pyros? This is my first stash for 2022. Got a case of the Nowhere to Runs 100 shot. Pretty good cake. There's 2 videos on YouTube, so I had to get it. Hit the Roll Jacks 49 shot by Brothers. Got another case by Brothers 49 shot. Got these TKs 25 shots. If you know, you know. Had to get a pack of the peanuts. Pretty good. Got a case of the Thunder Manias by Windows. Pretty good Roman candles. Picked up a case of the Fireballs. Real solid candles right here. If you see them, get them. Got a case of Saturn Missiles 100 shots. What brand is it? Don't say your brand. Got a case of the AK-47s for the kids. Pretty good fountain for them to play with. Got 2 packs of the torpedoes, adult snaps. 30 in a box. Got 2 of those. Firework stash, pickup number 1.